Bubble, IO versus Replit app builders. Choosing the right app builder can completely change how you create and launch apps without needing deep coding skills. Bubble focuses on no-code visual development, while Replit offers a cloud-based coding environment. Bubble, IO, and Replit are popular platforms for building apps, but they serve different needs. Bubble, IO lets you create apps visually without coding, while Replit provides a full online coding environment for developers who want to write and run code instantly. Bubble. IO is a no-code platform that enables users to build web applications using drag-and-drop elements and visual workflows. It works by allowing you to design interfaces and define app logic without writing code, making it accessible for non-developers. Bubble handles hosting, database management, and backend workflows automatically, streamlining the entire app creation process. Its strengths are ease of use, rapid prototyping, and the ability to create complex apps without coding knowledge. However, Bubble has limitations in customization, flexibility, and performance for highly complex or resource-intensive applications. It's ideal for entrepreneurs, startups, and designers who want to quickly build and launch apps without a developer background. According to Bubble, IO's official resources, it excels in empowering users to focus on ideas rather than technical details. Replit is a cloud-based integrated development environment that supports multiple programming languages and real-time collaboration. It allows users to write, run, and deploy code directly from a browser without any local setup. Replit offers a powerful code editor, instant hosting, and built-in version control, making it suitable for developers who want to build apps with full coding control. Its strengths include flexibility, support for diverse languages, and collaborative coding features. However, Replit requires coding knowledge and is less suited for users seeking a purely visual app builder. Performance depends on the complexity of the code and resource limits of the cloud environment. Replit is ideal for developers, educators, and teams who prefer coding their apps from scratch with the convenience of cloud infrastructure, as detailed on Replit.com. Comparing Bubble, IO, and Replit highlights different approaches to app building. Bubble. IO offers a no-code visual experience perfect for quickly launching apps without programming skills, ideal for startups or solo creators. Replit provides a robust coding environment for developers needing full control and customization, supporting multiple languages and collaboration. Bubble simplifies backend management but limits deep customization, while Replit demands coding expertise but delivers greater flexibility. For example, a non-technical entrepreneur can build a marketplace on Bubble, IO fast, while a developer team can build a complex API-driven app on Replit. Trade-offs include ease of use versus coding freedom, and visual design versus programming depth. Choose Bubble, IO if you want to build apps visually without coding, focusing on speed and simplicity for launching functional web applications quickly. Opt for Replit if you prefer coding your app with full control, need multi-language support, or want to collaborate in real time. Both platforms excel in their niches, so your choice depends on your coding skills and project complexity.